Hey everybody, it's Brooke with Re-Fabbed. Today I have a really fun little craft plan that I think you will like. Be sure to share the video. So here's what we're going to do today. I've got a lot of this size boards, okay? It looks like this to begin with, just ugly, nothing special. And this one I actually stained. I used walnut gel stain. And I literally just brushed it on here with a paintbrush, okay? So I used this walnut gel stain. So this is what it looked like before, and then I stained it with this. And to get started, what we're going to do today is we're going to turn this into like a frame. And I'm putting that in quotes, air quotes, because it's not truly a frame. But we're going to use this cute little magnetic, which it doesn't matter that it's magnetic because we're going to have to glue it on since this isn't a magnetic surface. But we're going to use these little clips and we're going to clip our picture onto it. And then we are also going to put the word joy, Lord have mercy, J-O-Y. I know it's all backwards, J-O-Y. We're going to use this fun little wood slice for our O. We're going to put it at the bottom of the frame. And then I've got lots of pretty ribbon so that we can make a refab bow to go right here on the top of this. And then we're going to put our little picture in and it's going to be super cute. So that's what we're doing today. And let's just get started. Now, like I said, this was a piece of scrap wood from our home build. I did stain it with this gel stain wax. I've got a little sanding block, and I want to sand this so it's not so perfect and it looks a little more rusted. So I'm just going to take my sanding block and I am just going to literally just go to town on this wood. And then I'll show y'all, I'm doing the edges. I'm just really sanding so that it kind of looks more distressed. Okay, so I've already started distressing the wood and you can see how that's coming through. Really pretty. So I'm going to take like the little edge. This is an old sanding block, but it's perfectly fine. And I'm just going to make sure that I get it really good up through here. I love the walnut stain color. It is so pretty. It's my favorite stain. But I like to tone it down a notch, and this is a great way to do that. I'm just going to make sure I get the corners really good again, just to give it a kind of a distressed look. It's nothing over the top distressed. It just kind of toned it down. Do you see what I did? See the corners and see the middle? Just kind of toned it down and it looks really, really pretty. So that's all we're going to do there. Now, I got these little wooden letters. They're very thin. These are from Hobby Lobby. I got them in a pack of 2 for like 50 cents or something. Okay, so it had 2 Y's. They're very thin. And then a J. So I got, for like $1, I got 4 of these, okay? So we're going to do this at the bottom. I'm not painting them. I'm not doing anything. I'm going to leave this natural wood look. And if you can tell, the sides are like a laser cut. So it's really pretty. And then I got a bag of these little wood slices. I think I got them at Hobby Lobby too. They were really cheap because you got a bunch in the bag. And we're going to use this as our O. So what we're going to do now is simply take the hot glue gun. I'm using my cordless one today, guys. And we're just going to glue it to the bottom of the frame. Or the piece of scrap wood, I guess you could say. Woo. I'm going to use it at the very bottom because I do not want to interfere with my picture. Okay. So let me show y'all what I just did. So here's the bottom, joy. I know it's backwards. It's truly not backwards. I would never look at this and make this backwards. But I didn't set my phone to do the opposite way. It's just so much easier for me. So anyway, J-O-Y at the bottom. How cute is this? Okay. Now, we're going to go ahead and just glue this on. We're just going to put some hot glue on the back of this, where the button is. We're going to glue it to the very top of this piece of wood. I'm just here to tell y'all that I think this is going to be really, really cute. Let me make sure I got it. And I'm just going to keep showing y'all each step. So we've done this. Even this in and of itself is really cute because we're going to, I've got a picture. Let me go ahead and just attach it. This isn't the picture I'll probably use on it. I just grabbed a picture and it's of my daughter holding a parrot. But anyway, so this is what it looks like. But what we're going to do now is we're going to put a big Re-Fabbed bow right here. Or maybe not big, but we're going to put a bow right there. So we're going to set this to the side and then I'll show y'all the bow. Okay, so I always like to start with burlap every time. Or most every time. I do not measure out my pieces. I just kind of get an idea of about how big I want my bow to be. And I just go with that. So we take 2 pieces of burlap. The wired kind is by far the best, okay? And then we just crisscross them, just like this. This is how you start your bow. Just do like this. Okay, now, any kind of other pieces you have, like we have this. So I'm going to cut me a piece of that off. And then I'm going to cross it over. Then, let's see what else. Okay, I've got this one. So I'm going to do a little piece of it and then cross it over. All you're doing is just crisscross, crisscross, crisscross. Okay? So this is what it's like so far. And then I've got this. And listen, I don't know where all the ribbon's from. I know people are probably going to ask. I've just got so much ribbon everywhere. I don't even know where it all comes from. I've just got it on standby and in a stash, so I couldn't tell you exactly. But this did come from the Dollar Tree. I know that the Dollar Tree has this lace ribbon, and it's really cute. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple pieces of it and then cross it. And then I've got a couple Christmas colors. Like I've got this one that's really cute. So we're going to cross them. Oops. Oops. And then I've got this red. I always use the really thin ribbon as my piece that goes across the middle and ties it all together. So that's what we're going to do with this red piece. Okay? Okay. So, after you get it all crisscrossed like this, just, you know, doing it, you just lay it across the top. You lay your skinny piece across the top like this, flip it over, and literally tie it in the tightest knot you can so that it all comes together. Okay? See what I'm doing? Like that. My son's laughing. Okay. Now, then you just flip it over and you've got a bow. Now, that one you need to kind of tweak it, make it look how you want it to. And if you need to kind of cut some of it, then cut it to make it look like you want it to look. But anyway, this will do the trick for what we want it to. So it's just a cute little bow. Nothing special, but cute. So now usually on the back, we leave this ribbon long like this so that we can tie it around something and then it can look like this. For this sake, since we're putting it on this piece right here that says Joy and we're gluing it up here to the top, we don't have to have the excess on the back. So I'm just going to cut it because we're going to glue it on. We're not tying it to anything. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it off. Okay, so I'm just going to put a big piece of hot glue on the back. Oops, keep dropping it. And then we're just going to glue it to the top of my clip. And this is the most awesome thing that's ever been invented. The cordless glue gun. Woo, woo. I burnt my finger. Oh man, that hurt. Okay. Now, let me make sure, I'm like making sure that this is stuck on there really good. Listen, this is so cute, guys, okay? So cute. Just give me a second to make sure that it's on here good. Let me get this excess hot glue out of the way. Kind of wipe it off. And I'll go ahead and put the picture in. This turned out so cute. I love this. This is something everybody needs to do, okay? How cute. Now, obviously, we can move this up some or move her picture down or whatever, but this is just an idea of how it goes. And maybe the bow is a little bit big for this. I don't know. But it's just so cute. And you can make it how you want to make it. So we just took, listen, these little letters right here, like I said, they're from Hobby Lobby for 47 cents or something for a pack of 2. And they're very, very thin. Very thin. Then just a little fun wood slice, or you can use a little snowflake or a Christmas ornament. Anything you want for the middle. I just chose this because I had it on hand. And then stick your little magnetic clip. These also came from Hobby Lobby. Stick it up here and then change out your picture. You can do this for any season. It doesn't even just have to be Christmas. But I thought joy kind of sounded Christmassy. So how fun is this? Super, super cute. Very easy. Anybody can do it. And it sits up like this because it's big enough. It's wide enough that you can sit it up so you don't have to do anything. But if you wanted to hang it on your wall, all you got to do is put one of those sawtooth hangers on the back and you can hang it on the wall. So it's super cute. I love this. And my finger is hurting. I'm not even going to lie about it. My finger is aching from that hot glue. Ooh, yay. Dang. But I just can't say enough about how cute I think this turned out. It turned out just as cute as I was hoping. So it would be cuter with a Christmas picture, but you get the point. So anyway, guys, I hope that you will share this video. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you loved the project. Here's one more look at it. It's just really cute, really simple. Thank y'all so much. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a great day. Bye.